Did you read it?
Read what?
My private message.
Oh no.
You did, right?
Maybe.
You opened my phone.
It was unlocked.
That is not okay.
I was just curious.
You always do this.
No, not always.
Yes, always.
Okay, sometimes.
You read everything?
Just one message.
Only one?
Maybe two.
Oh my God. Which message?
The long one.
No, not that one.
Yes, that one.
You read all?
Every single word.
I cannot believe this.
It was interesting.
That was private.
I know.
You are so bad.
Thank you.
This is not funny.
A little funny.
What did it say?
You really want to know.
No. Yes. Maybe.
You wrote about me.
Oh no.
You like me?
I do not.
You said I am nice.
That is normal.
You said I am funny.
Everyone says that.
You said I am handsome
Stop talking.
and very charming.
I will delete everything.
Too late now.
You saved it?
Maybe.
Give me your phone.
No way.
Come back here.
Catch me first.
This is serious.
I feel special.
You are impossible.
But you like me.
Maybe a little.
That message was sweet.
I hate this moment.
I like this moment.
You are lucky today.
I know.
Next time, be careful.
Next time, lock your phone.
You are so annoying.
And handsome.
Stop it.